Hello friends, let us now learn about the concepts of disease control. So concepts of disease control are of three types. One, we have disease control, disease elimination, and third we have disease eradication. So first, in disease control will decrease the transmission of disease agent to such a low level that the disease ceases to be a public health problem. So we will decrease the transmission of the disease agent to such a low level that it ceases to be a public health problem. So aim of the disease control is to decrease the incidence, decrease the duration of disease, decrease the effects of infection, and also decrease the financial burden to the community. So this is about disease control. That is just stopping the disease. Okay. Then we have disease elimination. In disease elimination, this includes complete interruption of transmission of disease. Here the causative organism may be present in the environment, but we are just stopping the transmission of the disease in disease elimination. Disease elimination is a geographical term. That means here we are interrupting the transmission of disease only in a particular region or country rather than the whole world. So for example, in India, guinea worm is eliminated in February 2000, leprosy in December 2005. Elimination criteria of leprosy is less than 1 in 1000, whereas yaws is eliminated in September 2006. The next disease likely to be eliminated is polio. Polio has been already eliminated recently. So polio has been recently eliminated. This is wrong. Then we also have neonatal tetanus, lymphatic filariasis. We are trying to eliminate all these. Then we have disease eradication. Disease eradication is complete extermination of organisms, that is by tearing out by roots, is disease eradication. So this is all or none phenomenon. This disease eradication is a global term where we remove the disease from the whole planet. Only one disease has been eradicated till now, that is from the world. Smallpox has been eradicated on 8th May 1980. There are 3 other targeted diseases for eradication like polio, measles, and guinea worm. So this is about the eradication of disease. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.